Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and this time I'm actually in Nature's Lap. This is Halton Hills, or you can say Halton Falls to be precise, near Brampton in Canada. And this is a trail that has been preserved, and people usually come here for trekking and all. And towards the end of the trail we hope to find a fountain here. Not a fountain, my bad, sorry. So it will be falls here, Halton Falls, right? So natural fall would be there, and we have just started the trek, and it's been 10 minutes or so that we are walking, and all we can see is trees around us. So this is simply beautiful. I'll walk you through the trail. So the system here is that you have to actually book a slot for yourself for 2 hours, and you park your vehicle in the parking lot, and then you start the trek. And as soon as your time is over, you should leave the trail so that others can enjoy. It's so big that when we entered, the parking lot was full, and here we can't see anyone else other than ourselves. So it's so big. And I'll see you later once we reach the falls. So this is actually Hilton Falls, not Halton Falls. I just confused the two names, Halton Hills and Hilton Falls. So the city in which it's located is Halton Hills, but this particular trek is Hilton Falls. I'm so sorry. I don't know why, but it reminds me of the movie Raz, perhaps because when I was a child I saw that film that was horror, and it was filled with such scenes. Although I haven't seen it again, so I'm not sure, but every time I am in such a location, I always am reminded of the film Raz.
पार्वती कुंड है ना, गौरी कुंड.
And this is what we saw. Bye.